Wacky Wednesday by Dr. Seuss. It all began with that shoe on the wall. A shoe on the wall shouldn't be there at all. I looked out the window and I said, "Gee, more things were wacky," and I saw 3. I went down the hall and I said, "Hey, 3 more things were wacky today." In the bathroom, more. In the bathroom, 4. I began to dress. Then I said, "Wow, 4 more things were wacky now." I looked in the kitchen. I said, "By cracky, 5 more things are very wacky." I was late for school. I started along, and I saw that 6 more things were wrong. And then 7 more. And the Sutherland sisters, they looked wacky too. They said, "Nothing is wacky around here but you." I ran into school. I yelled to Miss Bass, "Look, 9 things are wacky right here in your class." I went out the school door. Things were worse than before. I couldn't believe it. 10 wacky things more. Then I counted 11. Then 12 worse things. I got scared, and I ran. I ran and knocked over Patrolman McGann. "I'm sorry, Patrolman," that's all I could say. "Don't be sorry," he smiled. "It's that kind of a day. But be glad, Wacky Wednesday will soon go away." "Only 20 things more will be wacky," he said. "Just find them and then you can go back to bed." Wacky Wednesday was gone when I counted them all, and I even got rid of that shoe on the wall.